Hi everyone, this is Tony Correa, and today I'm going to be teaching you how you can create your landing page absolutely for free. Yes, so I am talking about GetResponse. So what is GetResponse? GetResponse is an email marketing website that allows you to create your campaigns using obviously email marketing. But they also offer you you can create a landing page with the guys from GetResponse. Yes, so to start this tutorial, I'm going to be dropping my link down below, guys, for you to create your account for free. And after that, you're going to be redirected to this website and we are going to create our account. Yes, click here in the upper side, right side, sign up for free. And we're going to be creating our account. Yes, for example, my full name is Tony, my Correa, yes, Tony Correa, my email, and I am going to create a password here. Once you type your name, you type your email, and then you create your password, you guys are going to create your free account. Click here. So then we're going to be checking this small window that says thanks for signing up. We've sent an activation email to. Then after this, you need to open your email to confirm your account. Yes, after this, guys, you are going to open your email and confirm your account. Click where it says activate my account, and you obviously are going to be redirected to a new landing page. Yes, so then you're going to complete these details. Welcome to GetResponse. Company name, for example, the company name of myself is ESPN host. Yes, you fill in the blanks with this information. After this, next step, and the machine is choosing your path. Yes, take a shortcut to create to start a campaign, build an audience, send emails, promote the store. I prefer to explore on my own, for example. Yes, and then here we are with our landing page. Yes, with a website from the guys from GetResponse. So after this, we're going to be checking that we are going to create a newsletter, a form pop-up, a landing page. We can also add contacts, create autoresponder, and create a campaign. Yes, so for the purpose of the video, we're going to be creating our landing page. So click here where it says create a landing page. How do you want to build your landing page? Use an already made template, use artificial intelligence power builder, but for the purpose of the video, we're going to be using a ready-made template. Yes, click here, and you guys are going to choose the most, which one you like best. Yes, this is gonna be my landing page, for example. Okay, I'm gonna be using this landing page, for example. Yes, and as you can see, the landing page is pre-made, so you guys are going to edit this landing page for us to use it. Yes, for example, I will be talking about cell 5, build your e-commerce store, for example. Your e-commerce. I'm gonna be erasing this because it's very yes, like this. Build your e-commerce store. Yes, I have added this title now. Also, I'm gonna be changing if I don't like, well, notice that I don't like that, but I need to change the image because I am talking about cell 5. Click over the image and then click aside where it says replace. As you can see, you have options here. Or also I'm going to click here where it says my files and then upload my image. Click here, we scroll down, click here, upload, click here again, drag a file here, select from your computer. Yes, and I'm going to be selecting the image according to what I'm talking about. I open it and add it. Yes, use. As you can see, is uploading, but I need to drag it. Just click here, for example, and make it smaller. Yeah, here we are. And also I can preview how my landing page is. For example, you click here, and as you can see, it's like this. Yes, your e-commerce store. Then click again here to edit it. Or I guess that this is very large, so I'm going to select it and then change the size. It's in 100, but let's say I need it just in 80. Yes, now let's preview here. Yeah, much better, right? Even smaller. Yes, how I do this? I drag here, select this part, then again change here where it says font size. For example, it was in 60, let's say 60. How it looks like, let's preview it. Selfie, your e-commerce store. Yeah, I guess, well, I think it looks nicer, right? For example, I'm going to also click here and edit this. For example, build your e-commerce website for free. For example, yes, if I want it again smaller, I select it and we can change the font size. For example, let's say it's 20. Preview, and let's see how it looks like. Selfie, your e-commerce store. Build your e-commerce website for free. Yes, I like it. Do you? Yeah, so we continue again, back, and we, for example, we can change everything here. For example, we can change this image. Remember, click over the image, then in the right part, you can ever replace it. Yes, so I'm going to replace this image. Yes, replace it. My files, add files, select from my computer. Yes, add. It is uploading now. I select it, use, and as you can see, here is the logo of Selfie. Yeah, click here. Remember that we can change the background if we want. Let's change, we click here, I mean over the color, and we can see that there is a background here. Click, and as you can see, also you can change the color straight, or you can scroll down with this round point. Yes, here for example, also here, let's see which one fits best. I guess this one fits best. Yeah, cool. Yes, let's see. Yeah, let's preview again how my landing page looks like. Yes, yeah, let's edit again, preview. And if we want, for example, to redirect the people, let's imagine that we want, for example, that people click here and be redirected to the website I want. Just we're going to click here where it says download now, and we are going to use our link, for example. Yes, click here, and also in the right part we can say that there is an URL right here. Copy the URL, but we don't want that because here it says download now. I'm going to click here. Can you see? Erase this part and type, for example, go to Selfie. Yes, go to Selfie. As you can see, it's here, and preview. Yes, sell your e-commerce store, Sell-Fi your e-commerce store, build your e-commerce website for free. Click here, go to Sell-Fi, so the people, when they click here, they are going to be redirected to the Sell-Fi store. Yes, it's like this. After this, introduce my idea. Why using Sell-Fi? Yes, with Sell-Fi you can build your e-commerce website for free and sell your online products. Yes, start now, for example. Yes, and click here again, and I'm going to click here, and in the right side we can say that there, it says download, but I am going to erase, and again I can put, for example, go to get your free trial, for example, and we paste our link here. Yes, yeah, as you can see. Why using Sell-Fi? With Sell-Fi you can build your e-commerce website for free and sell your online products. Start now, for example. Yes, what others say, for example, we can write what our clients say about the product. Yes, here let's imagine we have finished this editing this awesome website. Remember that this is going to be this is a landing page in which you are going to give this landing page to friends and family or people that you don't know, and they are going, for example, if they like the product, for example, they are going to go to the store we want, to another store, I mean. And also you are going to collect their emails. Yes, that's essentially what GetResponse is. You guys are going to build your landing page and also collect your emails for potential clients. You are going to send this landing page, for example, collect their emails, and then yeah, because they are going to be your potential clients, you guys are going to sell your products. That's why you need to put your real email address, so their emails are going to arrive to your email address and they are going to sign up. And afterwards you guys are going to create an email campaign, for example. Not only you guys are designing a landing page for free, but also you are going to collect emails from your potential clients and then sell or promote your products. Yes, or if you are not promoting or selling any product, you just need a landing page for free. Remember that with the guys from GetResponse you can create your landing page for free only for 30 days. Yes, to be honest, I am telling you this. But if you want to build a landing page to grab emails and then promote your product, you can test it, because this is also free for 30 days. Yes, also we can change, for example, our logo here. We can put our Facebook, our well, this is Instagram, no I forgot it. This is Twitter, X Twitter. Yes, and let's preview how it looks, our landing page. Yes, yeah, why using Sell-Fi, what others say, for example, sign up for our newsletter to get access, for example. Yes, and the people obviously are going to click here and you are going to collect their emails. Yes, it's here. Okay, for example, don't worry, but because when the people click here, their emails are going to be collected into your GetResponse account. Yes, so once, let's imagine that we have finished editing this awesome landing page. Obviously you guys are going to do it much better than me, and then we're going to continue here in the right side, yeah, upper right side. Click continue. Yes, pre-designed subscription settings. Click here, Favicon, blah, blah, blah. We continue, scroll down, then continue. here. Yes, landing page name. I'm going to change this, for example, I'm going to say, for example, for web hosting. This is just the name. Yes. Yeah, so after this we can see that we get the free GetResponse domain. This is the free GetResponse domain, but we can ever change it. For example, I'm going to put it like Sell5 free free website, for example. Yes, this is going to be my domain name, Sell5 free website for e-commerce, for example, grwebsite.com, and then we're going to click where it says publish. But with this you can also buy your domain name here, but upgrading your account or connect your existing domain. Yes, if you have a domain, you can ever connect it here. But let's just, for the purpose of the video, publish this content. Click here, and we are publishing our landing page. Yes. Yes, as you can see, you guys are going to see the performance, page views, visits, unique visitors. Yes, the traffic you get, the devices where the people click in your landing page, the country, click rating, forms, and pop-ups. Yes, and this is our address, Sell5 free website for e-commerce.grwebsite.com is active. For example, let's check here how our landing page looks like. As you can see, we have our nice landing page here. Sell5, your e-commerce store. Build your e-commerce website for free. Go to Sell5. The logo of Sell5. Why using Sell5? With Sell5 you can build your e-commerce website for free and sell your online products. Start now. Get your free trial, for example. Yes, what others say. Sign up for our newsletter to get access. Obviously you guys are going to change it here and do it much better than me, so that your would-be clients will type their name and their email, click sign up, and you guys are going to be collecting their emails. Yes, if you want, but you can choose any pre-made landing page, edit it, and the way you like it. Yes. So guys, I hope you have liked my video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up if you like it, and if you don't, I appreciate that you were watching my videos anyway. Don't forget that I'm gonna be dropping also the link of Sell5, where you can build your e-commerce website for free. Obviously this is for a limited time, and yeah, that's it for today. See you, bye bye, take care.